Here we are in a forest, somewhere in the southeast of Ireland. Leading the team, we have Professor Edgar Bartlett with Dr. Tricia R. Pepperfield and Assistant Professor Tom Murphy in search of the elusive bird, Calchicus anthopedes. How one moves through this environment can sometimes be essential to the very outcome of the results.
Bird loves the dense wood, like this, so they can hide. That's why they call it the elusive bird. Blast.
This reminds me of a place I used to go fishing with my dad. Very peaceful, tranquil. Unlike this group, blindly plowing through the terrain.
What's that? Again.
What is it? Get out of my way. Get back.
No.
We're here. Now get back. I'm not sure. Photo that.
What's with the man? He doesn't even use the binocs.
Stop. It's here. Bag it.
Book him, Tomo.
What other species of birds are coming to here and they are like ours?
We do have the Greenland white-fronted geese and the whooper swan.
Ah, okay.
Oh, idiots.
I've got a good feeling about today. I suspect the bird stops in Ireland to mate.
Isn't it so cool?
I don't think so for a bird this hot.
Why, Professor?
I sense she's out there and she knows we are too.
When you say her, I assume you are referring to the bird.
Where's my camouflage? Oh, the best thing you two could do, go get firewood now.
Finally, they've become focused.
It's gone. Who made that bloody noise? Oh, Jesus! What's it hit? Not him, the other clown.
Ah, jeez.
Have you ever not made noise? Do you understand what I mean when we're not shooting pheasants here?
sure the birds are even here?
Of course it's here. Sure, we've seen it yesterday.
Ah, look around.
Look, see what I see?
Oh.
Flag it.
We have been there before for hours and nothing was happened.
Okay, you two, back to camp. Take these two clowns with you. I gotta hang around here, check out the trees, take out the place. Do move. Idiots.
I don't like where this is going. What the fuck? No. This seems a touch too much.
Hello? Hello? Edgar? Oh, quick, I'm on your phone. Where are you? Over and out. Coming, help is coming, Edgar. Please, quick! You go to Dr. Edgar quickly. He's had an accident. The last. Where are you? The last location.
It doesn't matter who's leading who. It is a complete and utter disaster. This is the kind of stuff that ends up on YouTube.
Look, it appears the two clowns are bringing the professor back.
Oh, what a circle. What I am doing here?
Quick, get him down. Get him down, get his leg up. Get his leg up easily. Move the chair. Yes. Because we need to remove the charges.
As I analyse this information here in front of me, my conclusion is, as in you,
revisit location 1.
Will you be okay here alone, Dr.
No,
Trisha?
no, take them with you.
How convenient for Mr. Fall Guy to dictate instruction.
You're quite sure.
Very cool. We've had this before with
Here's a story of a lovely lady who was bringing up 3 very lovely girls. All of them had hair of gold like their mother, the youngest one in curls. Wait, oh, what? Wait. No, there's nothing happening here. Oh, it's just another walkthrough. Who was bringing up 3 very lovely girls, like their mother, the youngest one in curls.
You got nothing. Still nothing.
Go back to the location where you've seen the bird. Take the radio with you. Dr. Trish? Come, back to base. Back to base.
I think he has to understand that it's gonna be exciting when the birds show up. He has to have a patience.
Should we go contact him? There's no activity around here.
No? Tom, turn off the radio.
You quite sure? Off.
Jeez. Pick up, pick up. She's here. She's right in front of me. Pick up. Pick up, pick up, pick up. Are you there? She's right in front of me. Jesus Christ. Pick up.
Finally, it's over. Now, where's my coffee?